In this video, I will show you how to send and receive SMS and MMS messages from the VoIP.ms customer portal. Let's get started. First, visit www.voip.ms and log into your account. When logged in, check if your numbers are configured to allow the exchange of SMS and MMS messages. You can do this by heading over to DID numbers and clicking on Manage DIDs. DID numbers supporting SMS have a gray mobile icon in the Actions column, while DIDs supporting SMS and MMS will have a green mobile icon. Alternatively, verify if the mobile icon appears under the Options column. If so, it means that the option is already enabled. Otherwise, you need to modify your DID options. To do so, click on the orange pencil icon, scroll down the page, and click on the option to enable SMS. Notice that if you have a DID number from a country where SMS is not allowed, you won't visualize this option. Next, save the changes and you are ready to go. Now let's proceed to the SMS MMS Message Center. Scroll your cursor over DID numbers and click on SMS MMS Message Center. To send a message, press the Send New Message button. If you previously created phone book entries, they would appear here. Otherwise, you can enter the 10-digit phone number you want to send a message to and hit the Enter button on your keyboard. You can also enter multiple numbers if you wish to send the same message to multiple users. Simply hit Enter after typing each number you desire to send a message to. Next, in the Send From toggle, select the number you would like to send this message from. Note that if you have multiple DID numbers with the SMS MMS option enabled, they will all show here. Finally, write the message you want to send, and attach any images you want to share. You might even drag and drop images directly from your computer. Once ready, simply hit the Send button and you are all set. You may also access your incoming messages via the SMS MMS Message Center. If you have any incoming messages, they will appear in the left column. You can consult and reply to conversations by clicking directly on them. Lastly, if you want to see the history of SMS MMS messages sent and received during a given day, you can press the History button at the top of the page. You will be able to see all SMS and MMS messages sent and received, as well as the charge for each of them in your account. And this is how you can send and receive SMS and MMS messages from the VoIP.ms customer portal. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.